Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You will now be able to access the flange on the cabin filter. It is located to the left of the windscreen bay. Remove the hood seal. Take off the plastic protection flange. For this, you should unscrew the 4 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Lift the flange on the cabin filter and pull it towards you, making small movements back and forth. Separate the 2 retaining tabs on the filter rack. Then take everything out. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they're a little more expensive, they're probably the best option. Pay careful attention to the direction of the filter to properly position the airflow arrows. Put the new filter in the rack. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Then place it back into its housing by pushing down to lock it into place with the retaining tabs. Put the flange back in place and screw the 4 retaining screws back in. Finally, put the bonnet seal back. Operation completed.